Welcome back and welcome to part 3 of Fun with Effects and Drones. Now, I'm Stephen Twet, T-W-E-T for those who can't spell, and you might notice that I'm on my own today, and that's because my Phil, he's still in the hospital after falling off the roof last week. Now, I don't know about you, but personally, I think he's a little bit accident prone. But he's asked me today if I can do the show and do a bit of colouring in for you geezers out there. So I said, my pleasure, son, my pleasure. So I thought I'd show you how to fix those skies in about 5 seconds flat. I'll show you how to do it. So let's get into the computer. Where are you? I'm over here. There you are. I said, let's go into the computer. So, you geezers, just follow me. It's a bit dark in here, I can tell you that. Who put that there? Now, where's the light? There it is. There you go. Now I can see what I'm doing. Now, I don't know if your governor is like mine. He goes out on his bike to fly his droney thing, comes back and gives me loads of video to do the colouring in. But when I put the video in the computer, I can see he's forgot to photograph the sky. What's that about? Can't he do the sky and the ground? I don't know what he does. I think he sometimes just forgets to film the sky. Now, he thinks that I spend hours and hours colouring in the sky, but he doesn't know that it only takes 5 seconds. So it doesn't take long at all, and I can go to the beach and put my feet up. Now, I'm going to show you what I do, but you got to keep it a secret. Do not tell your governor, or he'll tell mine, and I'll get a lot more work to do. So, if I show you this, mum's the word. Now, you can see I've got my clips all lined up under here, and you can see this one's got no sky whatsoever. So, what I'll do is I've got a nice little sky underneath, and so I just trim the clips so that they match in size. Now, here's the tricky bit. Now, what you do is you've got to find your effects tab and go to Keyer. Now, don't pick this one because that makes a right old mess. So, just pick this lemon key and drag this lemon key and drop it in your top clip below that. Now, that opens up that nice little box, and you can see 2 little sliders here, but you can't see this one hiding underneath this one, so you just pull that across and it goes back to normal. So I start to think, what's that about? So then I discover if you pull this one over to the left, nice and gentle like, there you go, my son, but don't pull it too far because it looks like it's been snowing, and you don't get snow in Vietnam. So you just pull it a little bit, and then you got a nice little sky like that. Now, in my second clip, my mate Trevor, he said to me in the pub the other day, he said, now, my governor is the same as yours. He don't like to do the sky and the ground as well, but he does big skies. Can you do a big sky with this one? And I said, of course I can. I'll show you how. So, I just got the lemon key, I dragged it over into the clip, and then you find the one that's lurking behind, you pull it over, and then nice and gentle, my son, nice and gentle. Look at that. You got a beautiful little sky. Easy as that. Now, my mate Trevor, he said, my governor, sometimes he can photograph and he can take half the sky. Half the sky's there and half the sky's missing. I said, how does he do that? I don't think he can do that. He said he does. So he showed me this video, and look at that. Half the sky is there and half the sky's missing. So I thought, how can he do that? But I said, I can do that, Trevor, my son. So I grabbed the lemon key and I pulled it on over. And there's the box. And so I'll pull the box over this way, and then nice and gentle, nice and gentle. Look at that, my son, and there it is, job done. Now, I've got to get out of the computer because I've got a lot to do because my governor will be coming home soon. So, I will get out of this computer and I will see you outside. Alright? Now, I've got to get on, I've got to get off here because my geezer's coming home in about an hour and I've got to get him ready a nice fish and chips for his arrival. Now, if you like this tutorial, then please give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share this with your friends on that social media stuff because them geezers might want to see it too. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click that bell so you can stay safe in your bed at night. So, I'll say goodbye and I'll see you next time.